told you your family could lose up to 40% of your hard-earned assets, not to scammers, not to lawsuits, but to taxes, just because of how your estate is set up? That's right, millions are lost every year, not because people didn't plan, but because they didn't plan smart. Today, I'm going to show you how to protect your legacy and keep more of your wealth in your family's hands, where it belongs. I'm John Farrell from the Farrell Law Firm, and if you think estate planning is just about wills and trusts, stay tuned, because we're diving into the tax traps most people miss and how to avoid them. Estate taxes, capital gains, gift limits, step up in basis, it all sounds overwhelming. But here's the thing, with just a few key strategies, you can dramatically cut down what the IRS gets when you pass. And the best part? These tools are 100% legal and already in the tax code. Stick around because by the end of the video, you'll have a blueprint to leave more behind and less to Uncle Sam. Here's what we're unpacking today. Federal and state estate tax basics, trusts that minimize tax, gifting strategies, charitable giving options, life insurance done right, business succession planning, and a bonus tip most advisors overlook. Let's start with the basics. In 2025, the federal estate tax exemption is $13.61 million per individual. Go above that, and your estate could face a 40% federal tax hit. Now, states vary. Georgia has no estate tax, but that doesn't mean you're off the hook. Your heirs could still get hit with capital gains tax if they sell inherited assets. And don't forget, unless Congress acts, the exemption drops in 2026. That makes now the time to act. Let's talk about trusts. Trusts aren't just about control, they're about tax efficiency. Here are three to know. The Irrevocable Life Insurance Trust moves life insurance proceeds outside of your taxable estate. Grantor Retained Annuity Trust, transfer appreciating assets to heirs at little to no gift tax cost. The Dynasty Trust avoids estate tax for generations to come. But that's not the whole story. You must fund these trusts properly or they don't work. Many people skip this part and it costs them dearly. So let's recap. You know the tax landscape. You've seen how ILITs, GRATs, and Dynasty trusts work. But you can't just create a trust and hope for the best. Execution matters. If this is helpful so far, hit that subscribe button. Every week we cover smart strategies to protect your family, your finances, and your future. Now don't miss this next part. Let's talk about gifting. In 2025, you can give $18,000 per person per year tax-free. But you can also tap into your lifetime gift exemption to move large assets without triggering taxes now. Here's where it gets interesting. If you gift appreciated assets during life, your heirs take on your cost basis. That means potential capital gains when they sell. But if those assets are inherited instead, they may qualify for a step up in basis, and those gains could disappear. The key, knowing what to gift and when. Here's another strategy, charitable giving. Charity isn't just generous, it's strategic. The Charitable Remainder Trust gives you income now, donates later, and removes assets from your estate. The Donor Advised Fund. You donate now, take the deduction, and distribute to charities later. But wait, these tools need to fit into your overall estate plan. That's where coordination with a qualified advisor is key. Here's another key to avoiding taxes, life insurance. Life insurance is often misunderstood. Used right, it provides tax-free liquidity to pay estate taxes or equalize inheritances. Used wrong, it can actually inflate your taxable estate. That's why putting it in an ILIT is one of the smartest moves you can make. Here's a bonus strategy. Own a business? You need a plan. Succession planning can slash taxes using valuation discounts, gifting ownership in stages, or family limited partnerships. Most business owners wait too long. Don't be that person. Every dollar you save in taxes is a dollar your family keeps. If you want to help building a tax-smart estate plan, click the link below to book a free consultation. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're here every week with fresh content to help you maximize your legacy.